So we've reached this point. The top layer is set to the blending mode subtract. Your image should look something similar to what you see on the screen here. And before I move on, now is this high art? No, this is not high art, but it's an interesting texture. And it could be used, for example, in 3D modeling if I'm making like let's say like a creature for a first-person shooter or something. Or it could be part of an alien landscape in a video game. There's lots of interesting things you might be able to do with this. It could be a background for like some art piece, you know. So at this point, what I want you to do is just hit the drop-down menu for the blending mode. The top layer is enabled. Just click through to see what kind of effects you get with these different blending modes. And refer to the reference PDF to see the descriptions and definitions of these blending modes. Like that's difference. That looks pretty interesting. There's, again, this wouldn't be, you know, I'm not going to frame this and put it on my wall, but it could be a starting point for something to build upon. But what I want you all to do is just go through these, see what they do. That you don't have to go through all of them, but finally pick hard mix. Okay, hard mix is high drama, and one thing I want you to remember: you can choose a blending mode. You can set the opacity of the layer that has the blending mode, so you can like kind of soften the effect of it. Okay, so you can work the you can choose the blending mode and work it in conjunction with the opacity of the layer. So just with those things, you can get some very interesting textures and effects. And I'm going to leave it here, and then at the next video we'll finish up this exercise.